Okay, not going to keep you long today, just going to do some Greek yogurt, a few bits in it. Fantastic breakfast or lunch in fact. So, Greek yogurt, that's pretty much the most famous one in the world, that brand. Then what I like to put in, obviously some honey, some hazelnuts, some walnuts, and then here I've got some dried papaya and dried mango. But you can stick a banana in it or something like that. Super, super easy. Put as much or little as you want in. Simple stuff, let's go and mix it. Okay, so I've got like half a litre there. That's what I'm using today, that amount. Let's get some honey on the go. And again, play around with it, get what you want in. This is a little combo that I like. My hazelnuts are whole. You can crush them if you want. Walnuts, dried mango, dried papaya. Give it a mix, we're done. Okay, and there you go. A few little bits on the top so it's YouTube presentable. Fantastic, I love that. See you later.